In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an existing domain to your Shopify store. This is a crucial step in establishing your brand's online presence and making sure your customers can easily access your store. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate your domain, helping to elevate your store's professionalism and improve customer trust. To start, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and at your store's dashboard. This is where you can manage everything related to your Shopify store. From here, our first move is to navigate to the home section of your store. This is generally the starting point where everything builds from and is accessible from the left-hand menu on your dashboard. Next, let's make our way to the settings section. You can find the settings tab at the lower left corner of your dashboard. Clicking on this will reveal a series of options that control various aspects of your store. It's akin to being the control room for everything behind the scenes, from management down to minor tweaks. Within the Settings menu, look for the Domains tab. This is where you can manage your store's web addresses, including connecting and transferring domains. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. Here you'll see options that outline your current domains and provide ways to modify them. Now, to connect your existing domain, direct your attention towards the Connect Existing Domain option. Clicking on this allows you to link your purchased domain to your Shopify store. This is particularly useful if you've bought a domain through a third-party registrar and want to continue utilizing it for your Shopify store. After selecting the Connect Existing Domain option, you will then be prompted to enter the domain name you wish to connect. Type it in accurately to ensure a successful connection. It's important to double-check your entry to avoid any potential errors down the line. Once you've entered your domain, proceed with clicking the Next button. This will initiate the process of verifying your domain. At this stage, Shopify might provide you with additional steps or information necessary to authenticate and finalize the connection, especially if there are specific configurations needed on your domain registrar's end. In conclusion, these steps are designed to facilitate a smooth domain connection process. By following them, your store becomes not only more accessible but also more credible in the eyes of online shoppers. Keep in mind, allowing some time for changes to process is normal, and if you encounter any issues, Shopify's support is readily available to assist further. Connecting a domain is just one more step towards establishing a successful online presence, one that's poised to grow and attract more customers.